Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use the delay element in the content block more effectively. So here's the flow which I have created. You will see various elements like text, image, videos, file. Among them, there is one option called delay. So let's understand what does this do. So the delay element is super useful because it controls how fast the messages are sent. It gives the user enough time to read or look at what you have sent before moving to the next part. This way, the conversation feels more natural and the user won't feel rushed or overwhelmed. So let's take an example. You're sending, let's say, this long text, and you want to give the user enough time to read it before sending the next message. So without a delay, the text might pile up, making it hard for the user to keep up. And that's not an ideal for a smooth experience. You want your flow to move naturally, giving customers time to absorb the information. So how do you know if your flow is too fast? You can test it, create a keyword and send it to your connected bots. Try to read through the entire message. And if you find hard time to read the first one, then the flow is too fast and you need to add a delay. For example, if you are sending an image followed by this text, then most probably it will take more than 10 seconds to view the image and read the entire text. So in this case, you can stack multiple delay elements. If you think, let's say, 6 seconds isn't enough, then what you can do, you can add another delay totaling up to 12 seconds. So this is how it is done. 6 seconds here and 6 seconds here. Total delay is 12 seconds now. Now, one important thing to note here is that the delay should reflect how long you think it will take the user to read and not how long it would take you to type. It's not about pretending to type, it's about giving user enough time to process the information. For example, if you're sending, let's say, a video that is 15 seconds long, you would want to give the user 15 seconds to go through the entire video. Always test your flow, go through it yourself if there's enough time for users to read and interact with the content before moving on. If it's too fast, add a delay. If they need more time, add more delay element until it's feel natural. I hope this gives you a clear understanding of how to use a delay element to improve your flow. If you have any questions, visit our help center and chat with our support team. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.